Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nathanie and this is my channel. And for my new subscribers, see, the balls were rolling, I just couldn't. For my new subscribers, please don't forget to subscribe down below and click the red button, and also to click the bell button while you're down there, so that you can be notified every time I do upload, which is every Friday at 12:30. yes. And for my returning family members, hi there guys, how are you doing? So today I wanted to do what I'm currently loving in every aspect. So I think it's just easy for me to just start with the beauty things first and then get into the other things. So the first thing that I'm currently loving is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. I'm in the shade 410. This is my saving grace, because this is probably like the first foundation that I have that I don't need to mix, that it's just exactly my shade, which is amazing and I love it so much. So that's why I usually like grab it more often than I should, because it is a splurge and it's hard to get in South Africa. But anyways, it's whatever. Another of my favorites, well, what I'm currently loving are the Rimmel, sorry, that's upside down, the Rimmel eyeshadows. They are so affordable, and the pigment is out of this world, and I love the fact that it's so affordable that you can still like slay like your abo on the max side of life, you know what I mean? I love these. I always grab them. They're just so easy, and there's like so many looks that you can do. There are metallic shades, there are matte shades. It's just so great, and they have many other colors. I only have these two, but I know they have like cool tones. I usually just grab the warm tones because that's just who I am, you know. I try very hard to do cool tones, but your girl still goes back to like warm tones all the times. Okay, and then also another one that I've been loving, the Makeup Revolution Triple Baked Highlighter in Hidden. I got this as a Christmas gift from one of my colleagues, and I've actually been using it ever since. It is so amazing and I just love it so much. Okay, and now I'm gonna do two masks that I've been loving. This is a mask. Oh, it's like a mold, it's called a molding special care molding pack. So this is a rubber, like it comes out in the end when it's completely dry as like a rubber effect. It's almost like the Dr. Jart rubber face masks, but this is from a Korean skincare brand. I actually bought it off Glow Theory. I was just trying it out because it was like very affordable, and I was like, but I actually grab this so often. All you need to do is literally just mix it with water, and that's how it is. So I've been loving this so much. Usually when my skin gets irritated very quickly, I would just throw this mask on, like wait for it to cool, wait for it to dry down, and I just love just peeling it off. It's so satisfying. But I love this mask so much, and I grab it more often than I should, but it's whatever. And then another one that I love that's very affordable is the Dischem Tea Tree Deep Cleansing Mask. This mask is, it retails for $18.99, and I love the fact that I usually, like, when I put on a mask, I put on a mask for like my mom, my sister, everybody's getting masks. Sometimes even try to put on my nephew, but then I get shouted at, but it's whatever. His skin also needs to be blooming, you know, like it needs to also be there. But yeah, so I've been loving those things recently. So now we're gonna get into like Netflix and like books that I've been reading recently as well. Netflix, so I can show you guys what I've been loving recently. Like I've literally just been watching Netflix all the time. I recently started watching Good News. It's so funny, another one that I've also been watching is Pose. It is a like about these transgender / drag queens kind of thing. I haven't watched the whole first episode. I'm still like getting there, But and I've also watched Wanted. Wanted is about these two women that not mistakenly, but I guess mistakenly, they get charged for killing someone, but they actually never did it, and then now they're running away from the cops. And it's like an Australian like series, so I'm very interested and I really enjoy it. Another one that I've been loving is RuPaul's Drag Race. I just love how beautiful these men make themselves look. Oh my gosh, sometimes I get jealous because they're prettier girls than I am, and it's just like, it's whatever. And I've also been like catching up with Dynasty. Oh, I love Dynasty so much. There's just so much drama and it just doesn't make sense, but it makes sense, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean? What else? Friends from college I've watched, but I couldn't really get into it. I don't know why, I just don't. And then another one is obviously The Good Wife. Like, I love The Good Wife. Love it. And then what else? I'm also like trying to watch Tidying Up with Marie Kondo, which is about like tidying up and like decluttering your life and blah blah blah. I think I definitely need that because my room behind me, you can't see anything, is a mess, and on my table it's a mess. So maybe I should actually watch more of it. But other than that, what books have I been reading? Oh, I've been reading this book. So what I usually do sometimes is when I know when a book is going to be made into a movie, I try to read the book and then like watch the movie. So the book that I'm talking about, well, the book that's getting turned into a movie, is The Sun is also a Star. So I'm reading that currently. The movie comes out in South Africa, I think in May sometime. But yeah, I'm so interested about it. So what happens is, I'm just gonna give you the overview of it. It's about this black girl and this Chinese guy. The Chinese guy is like, he's trying to be a doctor. He's like first generation American, and his parents want him to become a doctor and blah blah blah. And then the girl, sorry, she is Jamaican, but she always stayed in America, but they are undocumented. So it's about like them. And okay, I'm not gonna tell too much, so, but you should read it. You should read it. And another book that I was also reading before the movie came out was The Crazy Rich Asians. I love the movie and the book, but I know that with the Crazy Rich Asians, there were like 3 books, and I read all 3 of them, and I'm so obsessed, and I want all of them to be made into the movie. So obsessed. Other than that, I have no other things that I've currently been loving. Actually, let's talk about this dress. I'll probably put a picture up here of what it looks like, but I'm so in love with this dress. I bought it at H&M and I just love it so much. So this is the end of the video. Please be sure to subscribe down below and to leave some love down below. And if there's any Netflix recommendations you have, please put it down below. Any book recommendations, I'm open to anything. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.